everyone. I hope you had an awesome long weekend and you were able to rest and enjoy the weather. So for today, it's Friendship Day. So hopefully you have time to draw a picture of you and your friends at school. I actually don't have time to draw a picture right now, but I wanted to show on the screen right now one of my friends from school. And that's Miss J. I think you've probably seen her around. She teaches 5th grade, and she is such an awesome friend. She's always there for me, and she gives me so much support when I need her help. All right, so let's go on to Tuesday for our materials. You're writing Tuesday, your name, and the date, which is 5/26/20. You're writing number 1 and number 2 with the line in the middle. Then on the back, you're writing 3 and 4 with the line in the middle. And on the last page, you're doing exit ticket, and there's going to be 2 questions. Okay, let's go on to number 1. So at the top, you're drawing a triangle. You're writing a minus sign. 35 equals 86. So triangle minus 35 equals 86. All right, so solve for the missing value, then draw a bar model to match your work. So the first thing you need to do is you need to label your total and your parts. Remember, your total goes before the minus sign. These are your parts. And we see that we're missing our total. When we don't have our total, we add our parts, okay? So let's do only one strategy for this one because we also have to do a bar model. So solve this and then we'll go over it together. Okay, so I'm actually going to do a number line strategy because why not? So we'll do a number line. I'll start with 86. And I know that I have 3 10s. 3 10s equals 30. So I'm going to do a half of 30. Now I don't know how much that equals, so I'm going to use my fingers and pretend like they're 10 sticks. Okay, so 86, 96, 106, 116. Then I have 5 more left. I'm going to do plus 5. And now I'm just going to count by ones. So I'm going to use my fingers as ones. So 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121. And that's my answer. So I'm going to just write a quick number sentence to match this. So I see that 86 plus 35 equals 121. That was the missing total. Okay, now you can draw your bar model to match. All right, so we're going to do a long rectangle. The bigger piece is 86. And then 35 is our other part. We know that the total goes at the top with the arrow. All right, let's go on to question number 2. So all you're doing is you're writing 9/4 at the top. 9/4. All right. The directions say I have 9 quarters and each quarter is worth 25 cents. how much money do I have? So I want you to solve this, and then we'll do it after. Okay, I'm going to draw the 9 quarters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to draw a capital Q inside so that I know it's a quarter. And then I'm going to write and count by 25. So 25, 50, 75, 100, 125, 150, 175, 200, 275. So I have 275 cents. All right, let's get to our dance break. Let's go on to question number 3. You're writing 536 plus 157. Then you're doing your HTO chart. Below your HTO chart, you're writing value with the blank line and then words with the blank line. If you need more time, you can pause the video now. Okay. It says find the sum of 536 plus 157. So we have our hundreds, tens, and ones here, which we should label, and we have hundreds, tens, and ones over here as well. So let's focus on this number first. And I want you to draw your hundreds, your tens, and your ones, but you're not labeling. We'll save that till the end. So you can go ahead and draw your number. Okay, so I have 500s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I have 3 tens. 1, 2, 3, and I have 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I'm done with this number. Now we're going to focus on this number. So you can go ahead and draw that out. Okay, so I have 100 over here, 5 10 sticks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, whoop, 5, 6, 7. Okay, done with that number. Now let's see if we can regroup. So you're going to take the time to do that. Okay, so looking at my 1s and 10s, I can see that I can regroup my 1s, but I can't regroup my 10s. All right, so I have 10 1s here. I'm going to cross it out, and I'm going to draw an arrow so I can put a 10 stick over here. Now, I definitely don't have 10 10s, but let me double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I only have 9, okay, so I can't regroup that. Now, you can take the time to label everything. Okay, so I have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. Now I'm counting by 10s. 610, 620, 630, 640, 650, 660, 670, 680, 690, and I have 3 left, so I know that it's 693. Let's make sure that we write that for our value. And now you need to take the time to write it in words. So 693. Make sure you spelled it correctly. Okay, let's go on to our last question. So you're writing 34 minus 8. 34 minus 8. It says, draw a number line to solve this equation, 34 minus 8. Use a friendly 10 strategy. So we haven't really done subtraction yet for this, so you're going to draw your number line, and because we're subtracting, we're going to start on the right side. So we're going to start with 34. And I want you to think about, if we're counting down, what's the closest friendly 10 to 34 if you're counting down? Take a moment to figure that out. If you got the answer 30, you are correct because 30 has a 0 in the ones place. If you're counting down, that's the closest friendly 10 to 34. So 34, let's see how many hops we need to get to a friendly 10. 34, 33, 32, 31, 30. So we need a hop of 4. So minus 4. That gets us to our friendly 10. And since we need to make a hop of 8, 4 plus what equals 8? 4 plus 4. So we're going to take away another hop of 4. If you do 30 minus 4, what number are you going to land on? If you don't know right away, you can definitely use your fingers. So 30, 29, 28, 27, 26. And the 4 and the 4 represent your 8 that you're supposed to subtract. Okay, Nice job, everyone. Kiss your brains. Let's go on to our exit ticket. Make sure you're doing both questions. I'm going to show it on the screen. If you need extra time, you can pause the video now. All right, everyone, I hope you have a wonderful Tuesday. Don't forget to draw a picture of you and your friends at school. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.